So this was yesterday's group. Those are all glazed. I have a couple of outstandings. B-Day. What is today? Today's E-Day. E-Day's all glazed. Let's see if we're going to pull this out. Pretty sure this is E-Day. Should be E-Day. Look at how sweet this is. Okay, but this is a great day because on the second day of glazing, they come back and they're like, oh, I didn't paint that. I remember being a kid and it was my first clay project and I painted it. And again, I had those little rough spots. And I think I imagined that it would go through the kiln and it would magically turn color. I just distinctly remember that. And so one of the things I really try and teach kids is if you didn't cover it, you are going to have that color. So make sure you do. Now I use the red clay with these. I wish I had white clay, but there is so much red terracotta clay in my back room. I hate to waste it because there's probably still, let's see, 10, 12, probably at least 12 boxes. So each box costs around $25 right now. So it's about $300 or $400 worth of materials that I'm not willing to waste. So instead, that's why we use this. And the glaze for this, by the way, isn't what I ordered. It's, oh, where's my glaze? I know I have a glaze cart. I know because I organized it yesterday. Yep, this is me and my brain every day trying to figure out what in the, oh, there it is. Anyways, here are the glazes, and I inherited a lot of these. So the project that we're working on right now for this is with Speedball, and you know, follow my series. I'm going to tell you how this works out. We're using, of course, the clear glaze cover coat. And basically what I do is I give them kind of just a small container. I pour a little bit off. But I have also all these other glazes now, kind of more natural tones. Now these are really old. We'll use these for kindergarten when we get into those. I've also got the Duncan series. So I'm trying to kind of settle on like what we want to use eventually in the art room. But I have a lot of stuff that I've inherited that I'm working on really kind of clearing out by using it for different projects. I do have this. I found this in the back. This is my low fire glaze, the overcoat. So I put water in this yesterday. It just kept sucking it up, sucking it up, sucking it up. So we are starting to chop this up, and it's starting to absorb the water. I don't throw out these containers because I really like this container, but I'll order it in a gallon. Nothing like having a good, sharp, pointy, pokey tool.